Hello and welcome to all students. In this lecture, we learn about Cramer's rule. Okay, so this is algebra paper third, unit number 2, determinants, and from this unit, we see the point Cramer's rule. So first of all, we state a theorem here. So this Cramer's rule is used to find out the solution of system of n linear equations in n unknowns. Okay, homogeneous system of non-homogeneous system of n linear equations in n unknowns. So let Ax is equal to b be a system of n linear equations in n unknowns. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then the unique solution of the system is given by Ax xj is equal to determinant of Aj divided by determinant of A, and it is for j equal to 1 to up to n. So here A is a coefficient matrix, B is a matrix of constants on the right hand side of the system of linear equations, and Aj is a matrix obtained from matrix A by replacing jth column of A by column of matrix B. Okay, so important is how to write the solution of system of linear equations. Xj equal to determinant of Aj divided by determinant of A, where j runs from 1 to n. Okay, and what is A? A is a coefficient matrix. What is Aj? Aj is a matrix obtained from matrix A by replacing jth column of A by column of matrix B. Now let us assume that the unknowns are x, y, z, dot dot dot. Then we write x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d, and z is equal to dz upon d, where d is determinant of A, where d is the determinant of A, and dx is the determinant of matrix X, where matrix Ax is obtained from matrix A by replacing the coefficients of x by the right hand side constants matrix. Okay, so let us try to solve one example now. Let us take one example based on this Cramer's rule. Okay, write down question. So question number 1. So question number 1 is solve the following system of linear equations using Cramer's rule. Solve system of linear equations using Cramer's rule. Okay. So what is that system? System is given to you. It is 2x minus 9y is equal to 5. Second equation is 3x minus 3y is equal to 11. Okay, so let us write the answer for this question. Okay, write the answer for this question. So first of all, we write the given system of linear equations in the matrix form Ax equal to b, where matrix A is equal to, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, and it is coefficient matrix 2 minus 9 3 3 minus 3. Okay, so this is matrix A. Matrix X is a matrix of variables. X matrix is equal to x, y. There are only two variables, x and y. And what is matrix B now? B matrix is a matrix obtained from the right hand side coefficients, and right hand side coefficients of the system of linear equations are 5, 11. Okay, so this is, now let us write the determinants now. So first determinant I would like to write is D. D means it is a determinant of matrix A D is equal to determinant of matrix A is equal to determinant of matrix A is 2 minus 9, 3 minus 3, and we know that how to calculate this determinant. It is 2 into minus 3 minus 9 into 3, and the value of the determinant is minus 6 plus 18, and it is equal to how much? 12. So D is equal to 12. Okay, so value of D is 12. Now let us write the determinant dx and dy. Okay, let us write the determinant dx now. So dx, this determinant is nothing but determinant of matrix Ax, and that matrix Ax is nothing but, just replace these coefficients of x by the matrix, by the column of matrix B. So column of matrix B is 5, 11, and minus 9 minus 3 is the column of matrix A, and its determinant, and it is equal to, if you calculate this determinant, then it is 84. Okay, because you know that how to calculate now determinant of order 2 by 2. Okay, now let us write the determinant dy. Okay, so dy is a determinant of matrix Ay, and matrix Ay is a matrix obtained from the matrix A by replacing the coefficients of y by columns in B. So it is, first column as it is 2, 3, and second column is a matrix of column of matrix B, 5, 11. Okay, and if we calculate the value of this determinant, and it will be 7. Okay, so you can calculate now. So all the determinants are calculated. Now let us write the solution of the system of equations. Solution is, so see here, so first of all we write solution means we write the values of variables. So value of x is equal to, it is nothing but dx upon d, and as we have calculated the value of dx, it is equal to 84, and the value of d is calculated to be, is it 21 or it is a 12? 1 minute. So what is the value of d? Let us see the value of d. See here, 2, 3 minus 9, minus 3, it is 2 into minus 3 minus 9 into 3. Okay. So here is a mistake, I think. So let us correct this now. Okay. So this will be 27. Okay. 9 into 3 is 27, and here will be 21. Okay, so D is 21, so it is 21. Okay, so now this will be, I think it is 4. Okay, so value of x is 4. X is equal to 4. Okay, now we find the value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d, and it is equal to dy is, as we have calculated, dy is 7, d is 21, so it is equal to 1 upon 3, and therefore finally we have the value of y as 1 upon 3. Okay, so thus finally the value of x and value of y together constitutes the solution of given system of linear equations. Okay, so this is the Cramer's rule, and you can solve many problems based on this Cramer's rule. The same thing we can use to solve the system of linear equations in 3 variables also. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Question number 2. Okay, solve using Cramer. Solve following system of linear. Solve using Cramer's rule. Just we will write solve using Cramer's rule. The system of linear equations is given to you, and that system is, first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 2. Second equation is x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. Okay, so corresponding to this system of linear equations let us write the answer now. Okay, so can you write directly the D? What is D? D is the determinant of coefficient matrix, so we write this determinant. Okay, so first column is 1 1 1. Okay, so let us go to let us write this matrix neatly. So first entry is okay, so first column is 1 1 1. Second column is 1 minus 1, and 2, and the next column is 1 1 minus 1. So this is our determinant D. Okay, so let us go to write the straight line. The straight line is important here. Okay, so it is equal to, if we calculate the value of this determinant, it is 4. Okay, now after that we write the determinant dx. Dx is equal to, and this is the determinant. Obtained from this determinant, just replace the coefficients of x by these right hand side constants. Okay, 6 2 2 1 minus 1 2 1 1 minus 1. Okay, and if you find the value of the determinant, it comes out to be 4 again. Okay, after that we write dy. Dy is equal to, it is
ब्रश केल्याशिवाय खाऊ नको रे तू. ब्रश कधी खोटं बोलायचं नाही. ब्रश करायचं मग खायचंय.
161 1 2 1 1 2 minus 1. Okay, and the value of this determinant is 8. Then we write the determinant dz, and this determinant is 1 1 1 6, then 1 minus 1 2, and 1 2 2. And the value of the determinant is 12. Now after finding all the determinant, we can write the solution of the system of linear equations. So first of all we write the value of x, and the value of x is equal to dx upon d, and dx upon d, dx is 4 as we calculated before, and d is also 4. The value of x is 1. Then we find the value of y, and the formula for y is dy upon d. The value of dy is 8, and the value of d is 4. Therefore value of y is 2. And then find the value of z, and the formula for z is dz upon d, and it is equal to dz as calculated, it is 12, and d is 4, and finally it is 3. Thus x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3 is solution. Okay, so now let us stop here, and this is the end of our lecture. So thank you. So end of this lecture, and thank you.